Hello, everybody. We are back here live at Walzem Park. I'm Xander behind the camera. We have Faith inside, and today we want to show you guys the Bachhoven. Now, the specs on this home are 3 beds, 2 baths at 1475 square feet. And just take a look here. We have a marvelous deck. It's huge. We'll get more into that later. And as some of you may already know, Walzem Park is just an awesome community to settle home in. They got great amenities like a public pool, fishing pond, barbecue pits, even an outdoor basketball court as well as sand volleyball. Like, they just got a little something for everyone. So, let's go inside and see what Faith's up to. All
Hey,
right.
Xander, come on in.
Hey, Faith, how's it going?
Good. It's almost Christmas. I am so excited. I bet y'all are too. But if you want a home before the holidays, this is the home that you need to be looking at because, these are all ready to be moved into. Everything's hooked up, everything's ready. So come out here. We're here till 2 and come see these houses. So let's take a look right now at one of them. So what I would do in this space is I would make this the dining space, like a table, buffet table, chairs. I would make this your dining space because if you come over here, we have this huge space. I mean, it's massive. I feel like I just keep going. And so you could put couches on couches in here, chairs, big TV here. I mean, this space is huge. And if you wanted to put maybe like a little small breakfast nook, y'all could put one here too. I mean, there's so much space in here. And then we have the kitchen. I like this island because you can put bar stools around it too. It does have a little lip here. So, extra seating for all your family that comes over. There's plenty of cabinet space. You have your dishwasher and your oven. And then you have your utility room back here with a washer and dryer hookup ready for you. And then again, we got your fridge. And you got storage up there as well. Now let's check out this primary bedroom. So this primary bedroom's huge. I mean, you could put a California king in here, a desk, chest of drawers, dresser, TV stand. Like, you could really make this room super cozy for you or you and your partner. And here is the primary bedroom. Not bedroom, sorry, bathroom. This has so much counter space, plenty of storage under the sink. Like, I could clutter this with makeup and that's what I do every morning. Whoops. And then we have the bathtub. Step in as well, bath shower combo. I like because this is more secluded and it kind of gives you some privacy over here rather than it just being when you walk in. Here's the closet. Very long closet. Can fit your whole wardrobe in here. So much space for all the storage or even just, decorations that you have to put away. That's the perfect place to store it. So now we're gonna look at these secondary bedrooms. Like I said before, these homes are move-in ready. So I think that y'all should come out here and get on these things. I mean, you can move in right now.
And for y'all just joining, we are here at the Bachhoven. The specs on this home are 3 beds, 2 baths at 1475 square feet.
This is the first secondary bedroom. Fit a double, twin size, or you can make this an office. If you've taken up all that extra space in that room, you could make this an office or a bedroom if you'd like, with a nice size closet. Sorry. And over here, you have your secondary bathroom, plenty of space under the sink, nice side tub and shower, and it's right off your living or dining or whatever you want to make this huge space. And so it's perfect for guests. And here is that second bedroom. And there is plenty of room for a double, twin. Again, you can make this any room you want. And a closet. There you go. Now, what I love about our homes is you have this really cool little gadget here. This controls your AC. It can control here, or you can control it from your phone. So if you're gone and it's gonna be really cold outside and you want it to be warm in here when you get home, you can just get on your phone, do it, and then you're just ready to go when you get home. Now, let's look at this deck because I think this is the biggest deck that we have to offer. So this is your front deck, but there is just so much space. I mean, you could put chair, like you fit so many people out here. This is definitely a place to entertain if y'all like being outside. I love being outside. And you can make friends with your neighbors and they can come over and y'all can hang out on y'all's deck. I think that'd be really cool. So if you like this home, you should come out here because we'll be here till 2 and you can check it out and then we can get you in a home before the holidays. Bye y'all.